Hello, everybody. Hope you are doing well. Uh, how are you? Everybody, you all right? I'm fine. I had work in the weekend, so yeah, today I came back. So today is Monday, the day 6 of our challenge. So I don't know what's gonna happen today, but hopefully we can finish the day in green. Hopefully, because normally Monday is a very like a difficult day for me all the time because I come back from work and then try to get back to the chart, and then try to do something, starting of the week. Normally lost lots of time, I lost money on Monday. So hopefully is not the same case today. So we got another 7, 8 minutes left. So we'll see what it did. So if I show you a little bit like, how we are going like that. Somehow whoever saw my streams or in the recording, you know that on Friday what did I do? The day I lose money. So somehow I recover and save that account. Didn't blow the account up on that day. So managed to finish 5 days in green. Hopefully I can continue like that. So I mean, absolutely, I don't know. This is a really, really big pressure. Normally I would have maybe that day I would have blown the account, or otherwise I would have get a big profit because I would have over leveraged for sure. But as I was recording, I somehow came out. I don't know how, but I even did it actually. Quite a lot of mistakes. But that things, I'll do a like a little video to tell myself, on that day, this area. Remember, when I was like trying to buy, sell everything, I did it in this area. Look what they did. They actually consolidated for quite a lot of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, at least 2 hours they were there. And this was the week, and I was telling continuously that bullish, bullish, bullish. I'm like thinking the price will go high. But at the end, what I did, I buy, sold, bought, sold, everything I did it. So, anyways, and at the end, the good thing is that we ended up green. So now today is our goal is to like do something similar, just try to be green. So I'm because it's like very pressurizing for me because I'm recording these things. So when I'm doing these things, I'm like now I don't know, like I'm feeling 100 times more pressure than normally when I trade because I have to talk as well. I normally never talked. So and then I have to analyze, I have to say it, and when I'm wrong, I know that I have to put the video because I put this challenge on, and it's like terrible, but it's still like we have to do this. We have to do this, and I'll try to do it. Even if I fail this account, I'll try to do it with another one because that's how I can at least improve myself. Like so that day, like Friday, So as I recorded and things like that, I still remember what did I do. What have I done wrong? Let's say I was over leverage. Then, even though my bias was bullish, I was selling. So, I mean, because I had time pressure. So, quite a lot of lesson I learned it on that day. So, I mean, that's the goal. I mean, look, I'm not a guru or something. If you follow me, you see my journey. This is like a sharing of my journey. Okay. So, like, even though if I lose this account, I said I'm gonna keep doing these things until I'm going to a payout. So let's get we got 5 minutes left. Let me little bit analyze the things what happening right now. What is our plan? So I'm gonna again trade from trade C, even though they let us down last time. The platform just get stuck. I mean, platform completely went away. You saw it on the because this is a beta version of it. I don't know. I, I should have thought about it before I use it. But anyways, still now because this one is more like top step X. That's why I wanted to because I can use hotkey and I mean it was good for me. But anyways, this is what it is. We'll see what it does. What it does today. So yeah, so let me just tell you the what is the thinking of today. So look, the thinking is that like last if you see the week by week, I don't want to analyze it too much because I'm not a guru or something. So I just did a little fib, the previous weekly range. So this is the 20% of it. So this gap, if you can see, so practically there was no TGIF, Yeah, I think TGIF, yeah, happened for the last 3 4 weeks, I think. So today, I mean, Monday it went high. I don't know why this one went high. I'm thinking like, how they left it. Actually, they don't have any SMT with ES. I mean, kind of like they left it like that and then they fell and then they created this gap. If you go to 1 hour, you'll see better, I think. Yeah, so midnight, they just crashed down and then they created this. I don't know because I didn't check any news. Sorry, let me check it quickly and show you if there is anything. I don't think today any kind of news is there. But this week we got lots of things coming up, okay? Oh, the Trump will meet Mr. What is it called? Our King Charles at 16:05. What time is it? 16, 15, 13, 16. Okay. Okay, around. Okay. I mean, I don't think it will affect anything. Hopefully not. And there is no other news, okay, except the 5 years note. We'll see how to deal with that. Anything, any news? No, it doesn't seem like anything happening. So that's what I'm saying. So hopefully the price basically what I was showing. Yeah. So this one, I'm thinking this is the today's low. Let me mark it a little bit. Otherwise I'll forget. I've got it in my other chart. I'll try to not look at the 1 minute today because normally last things what happened, I was looking here and trying to buy, sell. Today I'll try to be good. I'll try to check the higher time frame. If it falls from here directly, I don't know what to do because the area I'm saying like this is the low, today's low. So 20% of this is around this area. Okay, 20 to 30% ICT said, TGIF. So hopefully they give us a TGIF today. And will they go up? I'm not sure. I don't know because like how they left it, I told you with ES, I don't like it. So initial idea is to go down, but I would prefer it to fast it to go up and give us an entry maybe where I hope they like don't fall like that. If they fall, I don't know what to do. I hope they come here or something like a spike and then go down, something like this. Okay. So hopefully they give us. If you tell me from 1 hour as well, 1 hour, I would love this one to a little bit go up, and then maybe from somewhere here they fall like 50 around 50 price, and then we can target here and this one. Okay. So this one is today. Maybe I'm thinking today initial target. Then I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe they can keep it like this. 1 minute left. Sorry, I have to be quick. Okay, let me get ready. Then I'll talk to you about it later on. If they fall right now, I don't know what to do. So I'm keep looking on the other chart. So I'm not gonna be talking to you that much. If they directly go down right now, okay, let me mark another gap. There is another 15 minutes gap here. Okay, so we need to notice this gap as well. So they might take out the low first and they could go high. I'm marking this one. Okay, perfect. Let's see now. 10 seconds left. Will they give us a spike there? I've got only two today. I'm not gonna trade with big something. Hopefully they give us something. Go up. They started already. So I can see they started. Don't fall now. Go up for a while, please. Don't fall. They're taken out liquidity a little bit. So now will they fall directly? How I'm gonna trade? You tell me. Recently they're just doing everything. Anyways, watching time. Not convinced how much they went. I was expecting them to a little bit go high. Look, see. So they've taken out all these things. So now they're in this 15 minutes gap. What I marked it already. Where are they? So this gap, okay. So they've taken out this low. So they've taken this low out. So now, idea was good to go down. So look, that's the problem. Like I'm recording, otherwise I would have just short it. My stop loss can be on the top, but I'm not happy that how they went down. I was expecting at least to touch the top part of it, at least this area to come. Hopefully they come. I don't know. I don't think they're coming. If they do like that, they can go through it. The at least the low, today's low. But it's still hopeful. Let's see how they trade. If they can create a gap or not. 22nd. Yeah, I'm not gonna. If I don't have any trade today, I'm not gonna trade. But I'm gonna be waiting today because they're in the last 15 minutes gap. Still now they're holding. Hope they create a gap and then yeah, they created a gap. Now if I short it, uh, I could, but they didn't give me the entry. ES is whereas it's just going bonkers upside. So like there is no correlation between these two. So I don't know what to do. Look, ES is going high, NQ is falling. What to do? What to do? Never seen something like this. This kind of things, happening nowadays. ES properly gone bunker. So this one I would have sell it, but seeing ES, no confidence. As even I wanted them to little bit go higher around this area, so I don't have confidence yet. Yeah, I'm waiting. Will they inverse this gap? Look, there is a little gap here. Oh Lord. Uh, Now I'm not sure. So this is a kind of like if they close under, I'll do a little short, okay? But they need to close it properly. Could have done so many things because they're holding the 15 minutes. Today is like I cannot trade maybe. This one was a direct short. I should have done it, but anyways, that's what I'm saying. It's like the last time, how many things I did last Friday, the memories stay. So now they trying to take out this low. Let's see how they close. 12 second left because the 15 minutes candle is still on. Maybe today I should wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait. They closed under the opening price, so I mean technically this one is a short, but under the circumstances that ES is ES is proper on the top of the 930 price, so they are waiting to take liquidity. So I'm just waiting again. I know it's like, but cannot do that. Still waiting. So these things happening for the last. There is no clear price action. They go down and then like this, they do it and then they entice me to take trade. Today maybe it will be a good trade to take it to the low. 44, yeah, 70 to 44, how much I'm gonna get, but where I'm gonna put my stop loss from there, that was the issue. Not a good things to do. If they gone high a little bit, could have tried. You gonna go. I'm not interested in that. They already closed, okay? They already closed. Okay, let me focus. So taken out this low is still waiting. So still watching. They closed under the 15 minutes in like this gap, with 1 hour. They taken out this liquidity. Gonna go up, man. 5 minutes gone. The first 5 minutes already traded. What they did the 5 minutes now? Created a nice thing. So will they rebalance or create a gap here? Short would be a nice idea. Hmm. Today, Monday, at least daily low. I cannot short it like that. Nah, let it be. Today I'm gonna wait. Today I'm gonna wait and then I'll wait and wait and wait until I get a good setup. Today I want to trade with a good setup and I'm gonna hold it. I don't care. I traded so bad. If there is no trade, I'll not trade. So now they're taking out this low. Yeah, see, manipulation. So they left the low like equal low. So let's see what they do. So they're gone high to now coming to 930 price. I'm not trading now. I will waiting go. Waiting will be the best things to do right now. I can't trade like that. Where I'm gonna put my stop loss, I don't know. So there's some waiting because I didn't like it how they did it here. They could have just gone a little bit up. Or maybe they don't need to. They can leave it for later part. Okay, let's see if they can create a order block here. Then we'll try to do something about it. So the fast gap they already traded, I would say. Yeah, they already close on the top of the fast gap. Okay, let me mark my fast gap. Yeah, you go. Don't worry. I am letting you go. 930 price came back. Perfect. They already created a gap down there, and there is another gap to be created here. Now the question is how they react from here. Yes, got lots of liquidity on the top. Not liquidity, like a another high of pre-market high is there. Will they take it or will they fall from here? There's the question. One, yeah. So NQ didn't create another gap there. They traded 930 price. Okay. So they still when if they close under the first presented gap or a order block from here, I'm shorting. Nice order block. Okay, it has to close properly because they have a gap here. Look, this gap. If they close under and then they come back and created an order block here. Hmm. 930 price. Midpoint, they came down. Midpoint of the fast presented gap. So they came down. There was okay. Yeah, today as we waited, we'll wait. We'll go for a nice setup. That's it. Even the 15 minutes, they taken out some kind of a liquidity. Then 1 hour will be a huge gap here. I thought they will go little bit up, at least like not closing wise. I thought they will do like a little dig down if they want to go down. But now I don't know. They already created an order block here with from the 930 price. I can short it, but there is a gap there. Look here. So if they close now under the gap, then we'll think about what we need to do. This is not a good order block. Yeah, now they did a spike. What they're gonna do? They're gonna close now. 40. This is a like I would have shorted it, but the problem is only because of this gap. So if I had to short, I should have shorted from the top, and then I would have be out already. So now they close. Let's see how this one go. Will they give us a little bit up entry? Come. But if this candle now close on the top of this, they can do that because this gap will hold. If they close like this, the next candle short. But hopefully they don't take out this liquidity. Okay, so if they don't take out this liquidity, they stay here and stay under. We'll try one time if they create a gap actually. Yeah, ES already purged the high of the, what is it called? Today's, no, didn't do it yet. They made an equal high, which is not a good sign. Pre-market high. Yeah. Riska, see? So lots of people would have shorted. I would have shorted it before as well, you know. I said, oh, they confirmed it. They didn't confirm it yet. They didn't even create a gap. Now they're in the, what is it called? In the fast presented gap. Now how they're reacting is good shine maybe, but the problem is that what the hell they created here. Never seen something like this. Anyways, wait. Shall we short it now at the closing? As soon as they close, next candle, I'm shorting. Hopefully, if they don't close back again. How they left the top, I didn't like it. You get me? Yeah, looks like it. This candle, I should short it here. Just to take this low, nothing else. If they don't go, I'm gonna be smoked anyways. This gap, only believing this gap will hold, okay? So, you know, it has to be fast now. Otherwise, we are toasted because they have to create a gap. They didn't create a gap. This one, I just did it purely believing that order block. And they close under the 15 minutes gap. That's what I did. But if it doesn't work, I mean, my definitely invalidation point is here, but I don't think they have to be forceful now to take out this low at least. 44 buy limit 1, I don't think they're doing it. So if they don't do it within a little bit later, I'm gonna be out. They didn't do it. So if they can forcefully close as well on the top. Look at this, how problematic the price action is. This is just giving me loss. Yeah, because they gain back. Yeah. So what they did is not a good sign. They just came back. What an asshole. Sorry for that. Yeah, because I'm out. 77 loss. Okay. Anyways. Not good sign, not good sign, not good sign, not good sign. Because how they left it here, it was understandable that they'll not go down. But you know, they did what they did. So what they did, I cannot buy it. I have to keep my planning because ES left the equal high nicely. So they came back to the fast presented gap again. Now they're not too good. Let's see what they do. Even next candle can be a sign of the close back again. 45 now already. Okay. So now the question is which side they're going. I will short back again. Okay. It's a good bad idea, but my stop loss will be what is it called? On the top of this one maybe. Yeah. So just to take out this low, if they can do it, they have to do it now. Just right now. At least one out. I should even forcefully take it out this low because I cannot trust these things. Look at this, what they're doing. Come on, man. Take this low, at least give us something. No? Look at it, how problematic the price is. I don't want to lose anything here. If they don't take this low, means scam. Scam going on. And I would even prefer it to take low. And don't go, man. and it stop us out and then fall. How problematic, you tell me. This one should take the daily low. No question asked. I would love it to take the daily low today now. Just quickly now. And then I should actually, hey, don't do that. 47, 48. Look at how many times. Wait, what is it? Now, I think, what I do, I take the profit, then we'll think about later on. Because I have to recover the loss. Because look, this thing's happening for the last few days so many times. I should short back again, but look at this. Do you understand the problem? So this one, I should have, the next candle, let's see how they behave. Now they've taken out liquidity coming back. I should not touch it. But it's such a bad guy. I can do it one maybe, yeah, just to like with one, just to get the like to be on part of this. Yeah, thank you. So now they've taken out the low. Now the question is that will there be continuation, or shall we just take it out because they've taken out the daily low? Let's see if they can create a gap. Otherwise, they can just easily come back. Yeah, this one was like a continuation. Sorry for that. I shouldn't have come out from here. This is a continuation until this area. How was it? Is it nice? I mean, like it was good, isn't it? So this guy, why they did it? If I go to 1 minute here, look, this one they don't tell you the story. Look at this, what they created, all this stupid candle, isn't it? So they have to come back to make a wick. Look, can you see? Just look at it. This is the one, okay? And they came back to the order block. Where is the order block? Here. Maybe if you check the order block properly, you could find something else as well. Look, 50% of the. I know my chart is messy. I'll prepare it. Don't worry. Look at this. What is it called? 50% of the order block mean threshold. There. So that's it. So many things happen, like you don't see, you see later on. That's why, we have to study the hindsight data. Look, I came out here, did I do the right things? But I should have done better, because I want to show you a good trade. That's why I didn't come out here. Otherwise, I would have better profit here, isn't it? Even though they doing these things, still we are making money. Okay, let me concentrate. I'm talking too much. Still short is on, okay? I'm not on. From here I can short it as well, I have to say. But let me see first. I don't want to be, too much FOMO. What's going on, man? Come on, select it. I have to change my mouse. Yeah, so they came back. They came back to the little gap they created. Look here. So from here, we should reshort it. But the thing is that uh, this area, if they nicely trade, come on, just poke it properly, man. You're just going away like that. If they go from here, it's a nice one, but they didn't create any gap here yet. So this was the area to do another short. Stop loss there. I have to be good in that. Let's say if it gone to the gap, I would have if you put it your stop loss on the top of this, even if you take it a little bit, 20 ticks stop loss already, if you even target this low, is already 1 to 2. Let's say if you take 1 to 1, easy 1 to 1 trade, isn't it? So that's it. That's all I need to do. This one I'm feeling like to short it, but as I'm recording, look, my target is there. Okay, I have to be courageous more. Oh, anyways, don't be FOMO. 20. Yeah, because the only the ES problem is that ES left it such a way, like a proper equal high. They left it with the pre-market high. That's where I didn't 100% convinced. But this is a macro time, yeah, run is starting maybe. So this is the gap. It will be very interesting gap on the line with the line of the liquidity. If there is a gap here, this gap either it will go down there and then take out this low, or sorry, not low, this gap, or if they invert this one, we can even buy it maybe. Let's see if they create this gap, then we'll observe this one, yeah. So, but do you understand like that area I said it is coming maybe, no? Let's analyze more things. I know we missed it. I couldn't do it. Bad memory, carrying it. Okay, let me analyze back again. Sorry, not good, not good. I should have shorted it, when they went up. Anyways, I couldn't because they taken out this daily low. Then I couldn't have the confidence because they could easily go back. But I should have thought about it that ES didn't take it. ES got still chance, yeah. So until ES take it, maybe. Yeah, now ES just taken down London low just right now. Okay. Now what? I don't know, because now the what is it called? Our silver bullet time approaching. I don't know how to trade these things because not a long-term trader, but short-term trade would have worked from there. Okay, so just didn't have the courage because I did lots of mistakes. This gap. Now the question is that should we sell it from there? They came here, or they will invert this one. That's the question. If I have to sell it, I have to sell it now and put my stop loss on the top of this midpoint. But if they invert, I don't know what they're gonna do. They can easily do that because he has taken out London low. Let's say they came here. What I'm gonna think? Nothing. Okay, they look like they proper. Shall we try with the one? Okay, just to see if they invert, we are out. Okay, stop loss there. They should not even go through the rejection block if they do. Or if they go, they will go anyways. We'll lose money. Or if they work, that is the re-entry for me. If this gap they respect it, okay. I don't know if they're gonna respect it. They should close down if they have to. This candle cannot go up. You have to calm down, buddy. Plage. Look at this. Last few days, only that because they didn't reach here. But the thing is that from here as well, they can easily go up. I'll give it a reasonable stop loss. Yeah, they might because they why they're coming back because they didn't trade it nicely here in this gap. This one is a FOMO. They will stop me out, then maybe they'll fall. Getting lost again. Yeah. So yeah, it's all right. We'll take the loss. Let me take the loss because yeah. Do you understand? Like this is the all the time I didn't trade a trade. What I did? I traded trade from a area. So this area now they reached it. This area, okay. So now the question is how they react from here. Problematic price action. What a run. But should I believe on that? I don't know. First presented gap they reached. First presented gap. ES didn't take out that's the only things I'm reshorting again from the fast presented gap. I know it's like this is a stupid trade. I take it because I took a loss. That's why. But this is they came back to the fast presented gap. I'm hoping they'll do a little bit of this is like just a stupid trade. Okay, just to recover something. No, they didn't do it because this one can easily, if they come down now, we'll see. You know what? I'm not gonna take a chance because this gap they created, I just to make my, I don't know, I cannot see red. Bad habit. Look, two gaps they created already. Inverted. This one not convinced that they actually this kind of inversion I don't like it. Still, I would say they didn't reach the area, but they can easily go. Okay, let me see where they actually reached. Yeah, so 1 hour. Okay, yeah, further selling opportunity there after 10 o'clock. But I think they what they're doing, they might come where? All the way up there. And then maybe they will give us an opportunity to sell back again. But lots of people will say, oh, will they not like create a bullishness? Yeah, they can, but I don't know. But this is to me is like that because another 2 minutes left, 1 hour, then they will create a big 1 hour gap. If you see here, look, they're creating a big 1 hour gap. This one, do you think it will go up? I'm not sure. This one looks like to me, if they close like this, I want them to come back to this area, even around here, let's say 400, around that area. Even like this area, and then I want them to still fall. This is not bullishness, this is manipulation to me. I mean, like, that's what I feel. Anyways, we had some profit, we just given it up. Can it be proper bullish? Yeah, it can be because they taken out today's low. ES taken out London low. I mean, do they have to take out previous day low? I'm not sure about it because I didn't analyze that far. Let me see. Uh, so if we do like this, so what daily doing? Yeah, daily candle say it can extend, but Nasdaq is just proper bullish. Nasdaq doesn't even give it. At least ES got a like a ES actually was consolidating in daily candle, but Nasdaq is creating gaps after gaps after gaps. So how they are, yeah, they can easily be bullish from here. Let me see 4 hours. I have to research, I know like I'm not a silver bullet trader or long-term trader. Okay. Yeah, they can be. Look, how they left the high, they can be bullish as well. But I have to keep my own things, okay? So this one, they're going up. I'm letting it go. Nothing else to do. But how they traded here, not coming this area, didn't like it. Yeah, they're just bouncing back from this high. I don't know. Yeah. I would love it if they came here and then given us the things. 10 a.m. started. Did they take out the high? Yes, 9:30. Yeah, 9:30 price. Still shorting opportunity there, I would say. What do you think? Let them trade a little bit higher then. Let's see how they trade. 10 o'clock, I shouldn't do like that. Wait. Wait for the setup. Let them go up. Yeah, go up for a while. Not convinced how they're doing it. Okay. Now 1 hour. Question is that will they continue from here or will they give us a little bit of retracement to that 1 hour gap? So around 27,450, 34 to 50, 54, 55. That 20 points is my trading point. I have to keep my focus on, okay? Because I just given up again. I even though today I have to be at least green. That's what I want to see. I don't want to give up with a stupid trade today. But that trade, yeah, after the liquidity taken, you know, I thought this one closed on the midpoint of it, so I should have be careful. So the next candle, sometimes what happen, they do like this, and the next candle close down under. I was anticipating, but my stop loss would be exactly here. So I took little bit more hit. That is the problem of when you trade fast, you think like, oh, hope. Hope is not a strategy. I have to remember these things. So my stop loss was what ICT say on the top of the exactly on the top of the candle, which one created the uh, fair value gap. So I should have been there. This one still got chance, yeah. Still got chance. Still got chance. Okay, closed it. Only thing is that they didn't take out the high. Hmm. Let me see. Have to be focus. Yeah, it's just a fast presented gap is trading. And still now it didn't set up. So now the problem is that 10 o'clock started. Um, no idea what they're gonna do. Maybe another 50. What is that? This is 15 minutes, isn't it? So these 15 minutes can go there. No idea. But I have to wait. 9:30 price. Okay. Now what are you gonna do? Because the only thing they didn't do, they didn't take out the high. When this one they did it, but in NQ they didn't do it. I don't trust this one. I only trust NQ price. But I cannot trade with NQ because it's too big of a contract. Yeah, I cannot trust this one because this one is a micro one. I don't trust it. So NQ told me that it closed under the first presented gap and closing back again on the top of the first presented gap. So what does it tell you? Nothing. Let me analyze a little bit because I lost a little bit. When I have loss, I little bit lose my head. So that's why I have to be careful. Let me notice a little bit more things. So they are just trading on the top, on the bottom of the new week opening gap. So will they cross it or will they not be able to cross it? That's the question. Hmm. ES and NQ both. Hmm. See, I just didn't notice that, ES had like a proper, the London low was a nice no wick candles. So they just wicked it and they're now going higher. Do I think they will take out the high? If they do it, it will be nicer. From here, selling is nice as well, but it's a 50-50. Now they have to go one side or another. Question is which side they're gonna go. So now, if you tell me what time they started, what is the 9:30 price? 9:30 price is here. So this is the 9:30 high, and this is this is the half an hour trading range. So this one already taken out some high. So is this the low side or the high side? That's the question. Hmm. Hmm. This one didn't take out any liquidity, so they cannot take out downside liquidity. It's too far. But I don't know. Will they take out the top? To be seen. Now the question is that, will I get a trade now or later on? No idea. They traded there are two gaps. So one of the gap they traded and then now trying to go high. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Focus, focus. Before the market opened, the price was so nice. Look, from here, 8 o'clock trade, we had good trade. But as soon as the market opened, they start doing these things. That's why you have to be like a experienced trader. But recording and live streaming is very difficult. Whoever does it, I appreciate them really. Like they're very good. It's very difficult, to keep talking and keep your focus. Because you get fixated on your idea. If you think like, oh, it's going down, you cannot see going up because you continuously talking. Now what do you have to do as a live streamer? I'm saying like let's say maybe until 10:30 there is no price move. They're gonna just wait because it didn't take out the high of the 9:30 high as well, and they're not like it's so far. So because they didn't take out any liquidity after 10 o'clock as well. So I mean like what to do? Look, after 10 o'clock, this kind of price action is not that beautiful when you actually live streaming or recording because what are you gonna say to your people who is watching you? So anyways, now nothing to do, it's just waiting game. They have to do something, then you can do something. To me, if they have to go down now, I mean, I'm still believing that they should go down, but I want them to like little bit go up as well, and then maybe little bit go down. The initial going down, the idea, I'll keep it. At least some kind of a pre-market high or something, but like 7 o'clock high, I'm not sure. Sorry, 8 o'clock, 7:30 high. From here as well, they can fall, but I cannot trade like that because if they have to be bearish, they have to go down a little bit more. Hmm. Only problem is they left it like this. If this one traded there, this move you could have trusted, but now I can't do nothing. It can fall. I think now I don't have any trade. Okay, it's already 10 past 15. Oh, sorry, yeah, 10 past 15. 15 means our time. Okay, sorry, don't get confused. 10:10 now. The macro finish, kind of. So, what are they doing? Don't go down like that, man. Don't like it, man. It's alright. If it is doing these things, I mean, I should not form my entry anyways. Today I said it, if I don't have trade, I will not take trade. This one I cannot buy it as well because absolutely my idea was if they came here then I could have buy, but this one I could have sell it, but I mean from MNQ I can see that they taken out this high. Sorry, but from NQ I didn't see it, so that's why I didn't take it because I normally believe NQ's chart. So here this one can fall, I don't care because I cannot trade like that. Because if I now do it from here, it's 50-50. So I want to increase my discipline a little bit. I don't care about money anymore because it's like, um, have I done those things? Because money, I can, if I entered it from there as well, how many times I said it is gonna come down? At least this daily low. I already told you. So if I short it from there, when I saw the sign with the bigger things, will you not get money? You would get money, but the problem is that main problem is, I'm not disciplined at all. So that's the only things to improve. That's why I'm doing recording. In future, maybe I'll do live as well. But this is nothing to do with money. Money is not the issue here. If you want to short it, you can short it from here. If they stop this candle, okay. Just after that, just short it. If you think they're gonna invert this, then you can buy it as well. Everything is possible. So they already created this one as a order block. So I don't know. And if you Fib it, what is the Fibonacci? So they came to 50%, 50 to 60%, this area. So this is the bounce until this area. Sorry, I had some cold melon and my nose is got blocked out. I don't know if it's from the fridge. Need to drink some water. Seriously, didn't like it, but it can fall. But I don't want to be part of it. Let's see how they close, anyways. So bad it would be if I buy it from here or sell it from here. Nasty, nasty because of the 15 minutes gap. This gap is holding actually. Let me see. So this gap is holding and this gap as there as well. This is the one is already broken, isn't it? So let me mark the bottom one. If they close under after another few minutes, then we'll try. So this is my 15 minutes gap here. Okay. So if the 15 minutes say they want to do something under this gap, if they close down, okay, so then we'll give it a shot. So we got 1 minute left. So this candle, yeah, I'm gonna check it that if they close down very nicely. Just to make something. If I didn't go to down to let's say two, oh sorry, one, maybe I would not take those trades. So sometimes it's better to trade with a fixed lot size. Okay. So it's going up, we'll let it go. So that means this gap, 15 minutes gap, is still holding. Okay. So let's see, still not finished yet. The game is still on. We don't know what they're gonna do. Next candle can just slam through. How they going up, they don't have power to go up. How they going down, they're showing sign. Now they are in fast presented gap. 15 started, new candle started. Question is, will they create a order block from this fast presented gap? And they have to close down here, but then what they're gonna do? This is, you know what? We'll give it a shot. We have to try, and my stop loss will be on the top of that, okay? Because if they have to go through, this is like a chance kind of trade, okay? They might not work, but if they work, it would be a good trade, okay? So I'm gonna be break even immediately if they close harshly, if they can do that. Harshly. You have to be fast and furious. They still holding. I'm not trusting it. So I'm out. Okay, now maybe the rally started. No, but I'm not because I'm not happy because there is a little gap there. I cannot show you in the 1 minute chart. I can see they just closed it, but they didn't. There is a little green gap there as well. Yeah, this candle can be a possibility, but they can even bounce back as well from here. They're holding this gap is still holding. Look, this gap. You see, and they didn't take out anything, so let it close. Anyways, we got a little bit of things. This is called very quick entry and out to the gap. Still not decided. See, if they decided, they would have gone fast. So why they didn't decide it? They must have some work upstairs, Or if they go down as well, we can still short it. Don't worry, we'll have a chance. There are so many. This one is our target. Okay. So if they create something, we'll see. Let's see how they create. Now they close or not. If they close 15 taken out, this is the candle. If they go tiny up, I can I can try it again. Maybe from here, okay. Stop loss is just on the top of it. If they stop me out, I'll take a stop loss, okay. I'm taking a very one-to-one kind of trade. If they want to go down, if they go down from here, it would be nicer because this one at least tiny bit down, they should do it. Look at this. What kind of price action is it? Do you want to believe these things, or you want to be break even immediately? Hope they don't stop me out. Come on, man. Go down, buddy. At least this one. You wanna do it quickly, you have to do it. I'm just scared that they'll still now they didn't break it. Come on, they don't do it. They will do it. This is the run. Is I couldn't do it because I have to take it off. This is a good trade. It was actually I had it. I'm feeling like going very strongly now. You know what? I'll trust it. Two is not good things. If they go back, if they create the gap here, it will be nice. But I'm now trusting, not trusting. What? They didn't even take out this. This low they should take out now. No, you're not gonna do that. You're gonna give me maximum pain. You can do that. One, I'm gonna be out here by one here. And this, what is this? This gap maybe. Come on, don't do this kind of 42. Because lots of time from 40, yeah, they didn't create the gap, so it is not good. But they should take a little bit down at least. No, this is ridiculous price action. This kind of area, so many times I've seen that they've crashed down. But the only problem is they didn't take out. Okay, I'll trust, let's say this one, and then I'm saying that okay, they've taken out some sort of liquidity from the 930. But the entry, is it a good entry? No. This kind of area, I should lose money. But I should little bit wait. At least this low, not gonna take it. Gonna give me pain. I thought they'll take out the this low at least. And then I don't know. If they take out this low means they're just crashing down. Hopefully. But I'm not sure. Yeah, I shouldn't have trusted that area. The next candle, let's see what they do. It's just not doing it. Shall I come out? Shall I come out? FOMO entry. FOMO, man. Proper FOMO. Look at this, what they're doing. Is this a good price action? No. They can easily go up like that. No, remember all how many times we lost money. Ah, so bad. So bad. Should have just say, what are you doing, buddy? My hand is on the trigger to close it because what they're doing, I'm not liking it at all. They should have just crashed down for a while. Are they holding? You're telling me they're holding? So bad, so bad. I don't like it at all. Pain, pain. Seriously not happy. But as soon as I'll cut it, then it will fall. Then I'll be. But this one is still can hold it. Yeah. Ugly price action. I should have not entered it from there anyway. This is one of my problem to enter from a wrong place. So what should you do? Still believe in? They traded the 15 minutes gap back again. Now the question is the next candle, will they able to crash down? The next candle is telling me what they're gonna do. How they going? I don't see any sign of mm, the next candle. Important man. Next candle is gonna tell us it either should fall or go up. Such a stupid price action. Are they waiting for 11 o'clock? I don't know. But they should go down tiny bit for a while. No. So they're gonna do like this for next how long? Cannot take it, man. Close it. Only because they're holding, because the ES is still on the top of 930. ES is on the top of 930. So what should you do? And from there, they can easily get bullish. What a drama. See, should I trade like that or just come out and just say thank you very much to the day? This can easily go up. Let me see. Yes. Yes is 830 price. 930 gonna come for a while, tiny bit, maybe. Yes is going high. Why? Do something, buddy. It's painful price action. You see 39, 46. But if they give up from here, is a big things can happen. Because this one is here is one it can easily, but I don't know if I should be part of this price action. Because the only problem was the entry was very bad. If I enter it like 24, 24, 24, look at this price action. Do you want to trade like that? You know what? This one not taking that low is like so bad. Because they don't want to give up this crashing low, crashing low, crashing low. Pillage. They have to do it forcefully, otherwise they're not doing it. From here, I want them to like do like properly, not like this stupid price action. Should we not lose our mental capital and just go away? With this one, what they did, yes, if they close nicely, strongly, they can easily. Yeah, this is my last chance. If they don't fall now, they're not doing it. They have to fall now with that's it. They traded every single area. So then I should cut it and then just say bye bye. Because they what they did, this is the last area. This is you saw like this is the discipline issue. The problem was that before I didn't trade it and now I'm trading with low probabilities. When they're consolidating and when it consolidate, I trade the worst. Because I trade like quick. It still can be bearish, but the thing is that it can easily become a like a quick bullish candle, and then they will be done. ES need to come down if they have to go down, because as they left the liquidity now, I think it's like 50-50 now. Not 50-50, it's like maybe to me looks like it can easily manipulate any side. What they're doing, they're coming crashing down, and then after that they're going up back again, okay, because they're holding the price. Are you gonna do it now? 26, 5 minutes left. At least little bit down, man. Take this low at least. ES has to be strong. If they bounce back from, I don't know why it's not falling even. One of the stupidest things I've seen. Don't like it at all. This one is, you know what? This time if they don't do it, that means what they said. Come on, man, just take out this low at least. Give us something. No, no, look at this, what they're doing. Exactly my entry point. That is the interesting part, is that they were exactly on my entry point. I'm not part of it. I'm sorry. I'll take it as a loss. Seriously. Now I'm not doing anything. They might fall from here. What a price. Do you like it? Seriously. I cannot do it. Don't go down anymore. Oh Lord. So 13, 7, 6. Let's see the next candle. If they go quick up, here we short again with one. Okay, I'm just like now is just doing fun. I'm not doing anything. They're not gonna go down maybe. But if they don't, there is a little gap here as well. Okay, so if they like actually should have gone down, they should have gone down from here. So if they close on the top of this, this is my, I should not do nothing after that. But there is a tiny gap here. With 30 coming and 10:30, then there will be something will happen very soon. Like we got 28, another few seconds left. How they're doing it is like what they're doing even they don't know. Do you understand? Like so, this one, let's say if I take profit is even here, what am I getting? 72. This gap, look at this. Do you want to trade like that? You got 1 minute left, man. Either go or just close up. This is the last area. They will either fall or just they will do what they're doing. What they're doing, if they fall, it will be good things to do. But the thing is that I told you, ES didn't take out the high. That's the only things. Should I trade like this? Oh man, it was one of the stupidest price action I've seen. There's nothing happening because Trump will talk later on. Very bad, very bad. And I'm trying to get something from here. 29, 29. If they close now, they already, yeah, the next candle started. What do you want to do? They already closed under the, that thing. So this candle, I mean, they're not a expansion. Is like, I don't know what to say. You think it's gonna come and look at this. They didn't spike me here. So what should I do? Do you understand? This is the things I'm saying. Like a tiny, if I left my things previous area, it's just to show you some trade. Okay, because this one easily can come and stop me out, and then after that they might fall. But the area was now why they jumped. Let's target this area. If they go down, they'll go down quickly anyways. What we'll do if they can do it. This gap is important as well, okay? Because they can easily hold this gap. We can even come out, I don't know, man. If they can, don't stop us out, man. Don't stop us out, please. Give us this one and then stop me out. Why is not falling even? You see, what kind of price is it? This one I should actually target a little bit more, maybe. Let's see if they can close. Hey, here they actually reached our target now. Give us, man. They will do it, yeah. They will fall, yeah. I cannot be part of it because I traded. So, look, this is the area. If I didn't finish my mental capital, I could have done it maybe. But this is a run. It can go until here. It can even be bigger. Anyways, guys, I know I'm done. Okay, so I think like I'll next time try to trade with a better what is it called? Better understanding and things like that. But we are getting there. Some kind of improvement. We had a bearish bias, but maybe the execution is not that nice. But everything is working, is it? Like if you check my videos, previous videos, every video, my initial direction was very good. The problem is my execution. Don't follow the execution. And I'm not a teacher as well. I'm not teaching anything. Okay, it's just my understanding of the market. So what I'm doing here is just this is my journey. I'm showing it to you. Yeah, I'll slowly improve. Look, today here there I traded as well, but it was better than I would say Friday. Monday normally I lose money. Today I'll take it as a green maybe. And look at the price what they did up to now. What they did? Let's see. So look, 130 points. So you tell me overnight they ran how much? Let's check from this one. From here to there, they ran 197, and now market open, they're not doing anything. So I mean, what should I do? Do you understand? Like, I don't have nothing else to say. So look, I came out here. Why? Because there is a gap here. You can see there this gap. So this one is a gap. I should trust it and just sell it back like this gap, this sell from here. The stop loss could be on the top of this high maybe 30 47. Let's see the next candle. But this is a run at least up to here. Then I don't know what can happen. There's a big consolidation there. Okay, so maybe they will come even 50% of these around this area because then the run started from there. This area they can come as well. Like let's say this kind of area. Yeah, this area. Listen, 27 to 30. But they should little bit do something, but it's fine. Even though they didn't do here, let's say, but logically they should come here. But if they don't do it, well, what should I do? I should trade accordingly, shouldn't I? But only thing I told you that I didn't like it because this one they taken it because NQ didn't take it like this anything, any high. So I mean, can they be bullish from here? They can because they're just consolidating. So am I done with my day? Yeah, I think so. So look, I don't want to use my mental capital anymore. Thank you very much for being with me and just watching these things. The series is, oh, we reached 1,000 by the way. Hopefully this week we get some trade, but it's very gonna be risky trading. So I will try to be cautious and I'll try to do something. Short, I could short it from here, but I don't know if I'm gonna trade after that. But you take care and I'll see you soon. And hopefully I'll show you the journey back again. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. And have a nice time. See you tomorrow, hopefully.